Well, I missed that putt, but you're not going to miss here at 3380 Bradner Circle. This is Fairwinds living at its absolute peak. You're so close to the wellness center, just a short stroll away. The golf course is at your doorstep, the marina, the restaurant scene, the trail system. We really have it all here. If you're downsizing or you're coming from the city, you're going to want to take a look at this bare land strata, completely detached home here in Rockcliffe, situated in the best spot in Rockcliffe. You're at the very end of the street. You have total privacy, huge hedges, and this beautiful putting green along with a great backyard. There's a lot to love here. Open living, just over 2,000 square feet, elegance. Come in, take a look, give us a call.